I'm feeling great. Guys, did you see that I sang this song in a different way? Yes. And do you know why? Because today we're going to talk about farm animals. Yes, about farm animals. And now I'm going to sing a famous song. Yes, and this song called The Old MacDonald. Who knows this song? Yes? So let's sing together. But to sing this song, we're going to play a game. I love games. And here with me, I have my magical bag. Yes. I will put my hand here inside and I will take an animal. What animal is this? Oh, it's a cow. And guys, is a cow a farm animal? Yes or no? Yes. So let's start singing. Yes? So I'm going to put the cow here and let's sing. Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo. Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Great! Okay, little cow. This is very nice. A cow on old MacDonald's farm. Now let's see another animal. Yes? Okay. So let me see. What is this? A crab. A crab, how nice. So let's sing. Let's sing. The old MacDonald. Wait a second. A crab? Is a crab a farm animal? No, it's not. I'm so sorry, Mr. Crab. I can't sing for you. Bye-bye. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. So let's see. Okay. Let's see. I found an animal. Let's see. What is this? What is this? Wow. Look, guys. 1, 2, 3. Look, guys, how is this? The pig. Very good, guys. So, is the pig a farm animal? Yes, he is. So, let's sing a song for this animal. Okay, so let's go. The old MacDonald had a farm. Mr. Pig. Very good. Now, let's see another animal. Okay. So, let's see. My magical bag. Can you show me an animal? Oh, this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and hello, Mr. Rooster. How are you? Very nice, guys. This is Mr. Rooster. Is Mr. Rooster a farm animal? Yes, Mr. Rooster is a farm animal. So, I'm sure we're going to sing a song. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had a rooster, E-I-E-I-O, with a cock-a-doodle here and a cock-a-doodle there, here a cock-a-doodle-doo, there a cock-a-doodle-doo, everywhere a cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, E-I-E-I-O, cock-a-doodle-doo. Very good, guys. Very good. Thank you, Mr. Rooster. It's always nice having you here. Okay, now let's see another animal. Let me see. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to show you, and you have to tell me, is this a farm animal? So let's see. 1, 2, 3, and so, guys, is this a farm animal? I can't hear you. Yes or no? Okay, I'm going to look. Okay, yes or no? Yes or no? I'm going to look. 1, 2, 3, and oh, yes, it is. This is a duck. So, let's sing this song together. Yes. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O, with a quack quack here and a quack quack there, here quack, there quack, everywhere quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, E-I-E-I-O, E-I-E-I-O. Very good, guys. Very good, duck. I love seeing you here. So, bye-bye. I want to see other animals now. Okay, guys, so let's see another animal. What animal is this? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oh, a giraffe. Very nice. So let's sing the song. The old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. No, a giraffe is not a farm animal. So, thank you for your presents, but you're not a farm animal, so bye-bye, giraffe. Yes, very good, huh? Now, let's see if you are going to find another farm animal. And 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, and look, guys, this is the horse. Very nice. Hello, Mr. Horse. Hello, Mr. Horse. How are you? Neigh. Very good, guys. Is the horse a farm animal? Yes, it is. So now we're going to sing the song for him. So let's go. Are you okay there, Mr. Horse? Okay. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. so good to see all these farm animals here. Now, let's see another animal. Bye-bye, Mr. Horse. Nay, nay. Okay, guys, now let's see another animal. Ee. Oh, no. Look, guys. It's empty. No more animals. Oh, I can't believe. But I'm missing a farm animal. Yes. What is this animal that is missing? We talked about the horse, the duck, the Mr. Rooster. Let's see. The pig and the cow. Look, all these farm animals, but I'm missing someone. Who is missing? Cow, pig, rooster, duck, horse. Oh, it's the chicken. Hey guys, where is the chicken? Can you tell me? Where is the chicken? Oh, they won't tell me. Okay, so let's call the chicken. Yes. Chicken! 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 No, there's no chicken anywhere. Oh no. Hey! Hello, chicken! How are you? What are you doing here? I hope you're okay, because I missed you here. Are you okay? Oh, very good. But why are you so scared? Running away? From who? Oh, from Mrs. Wishy-Washy. Oh, I understand. So, can you just stay for a while so I can sing your part of the song? No. Oh, wait. Okay. Oh, Mrs. Wishy-Washy. She's a really fun woman. And now I'm going to tell you her story with the animals. So, I'm going to sing the chicken part of the song. And after that, we're going to start the story. Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there. Here cluck, there cluck, everywhere cluck cluck. Oh, MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O. Yay! Mrs. Wishy-Washy's Farm by Joy Kelly. This is Mrs. Wishy-Washy, and this is her farm. Here is her house, and her truck, and her barn. Here by the barn is the old tin tub where all the animals go for a scrub. Wishy-washy, wishy-washy, moo, the cow cries. I hate this old tub. I've got soap in my eyes. Wishy-washy, wishy-washy. Yee! The pig squeals. I have been scrubbed from my nose to my heels. Wishy-washy, wishy-washy. Quack! The duck moans. I've got suds in my feathers and aches in my bones. The scrub is over. The tub goes away. No more washing, the animals say. Moo, moo. Ee, ee. Quack, quack, quack. Bye, Mrs. Wishy-Washy. Mean old Mrs. Wishy-Washy. We are leaving you and we won't be back. Fast down the highway they run side by side. Where will they go? Where will they hide? Ee, ee, the city, squeals the old pig. We'll go to the city where the barns are big. But the city is as wild as a farm stampede. There's nowhere to rest and nowhere to feed. The three hungry animals walk into a barn. There is food on the dishes, but it's not like the farm. The cow looks around with an anxious face. I think we could be in the wrong eating place. Along comes the cook with an angry shout. You'll be roast on toast if you don't get out. They run for their lives to the barn next door and find themselves in a hardware store. Oops! Then a van pulls up in two shakes of a tail. It's the pickup van from the animal jail. They are taking away. Oh, what a bad luck for the cow and the pig and the poor old duck. They sit on a huddle, hungry and pale, in the cold, muddy cage of the animal jail. Then the unhappy cow and the pig and the duck hear the chug, chug, chug of the old farm truck. They moo and they squeal, they quack and they cheer. It's dear Mrs. Wishy-Washy, she's here. Far from the city and back on the farm, the animals run to the old red barn. Now Mrs. Wishy-Washy fills up the tub. Come on, you three, you need a good scrub. Oh, please, says the cow, and she jumps right in. Oh, please, says the pig with a happy grin. Oh, please, says the duck, splashing in with the rest. There is no doubt about it. Home is the best. Wishy-washy, wishy-washy. The end. How nice, guys! Who liked this story? I love it. It's a very, very nice story. The animals try to run away of the Mrs. Wishy-Washy, but they can't do this. They love her. Yes. And guys, I'm thinking, what do you think? We make an activity now. Okay, so let's make an activity. So guys, for this activity, we were going to need 3 roll papers. 1, 2, 3. Here, I don't have just this brown roll paper, but no problem. You can use whatever you want, okay? And markers. So guys, today we're going to make the puppets of our story. First of all, I'm going to draw the cow. I'm going to make the cow. I'm going to make one eye. Yes. I'm using the brown marker, okay? One eye, two eyes. Okay. First, I will make the nose, and then, like this, and a mouth. Great. And here, I'm going to do the ears. Okay. And this. Oh, very nice. And to complete, I'm going to draw some cow spots. Look. Like this. Like this. Okay. Very good. This is our cow. Now we're going to make the pig. And for the pig, I will use the pink marker. Okay. First, I will draw the eyes. One eye. Okay, now I'm going to draw the nose. Ooh. Very good. And the mouth. Great, guys. And don't forget the ears. Like this. And like this. And we can also make a tail here. Very nice. And this is our pig's puppet. Very nice. Now the last one. I'm going to make with yellow. It's the duck. So let's do it. First, I'm going to draw the eyes. One eye, two eyes. Okay. And now, using the orange marker, I'm going to draw the duck's beak. Like this. And I'm going to color here. Okay, guys, this is our Mrs. Wishy-Washy animals. Very nice. Now you can play that you are running away from Mrs. Wishy-Washy. Very nice. Bye-bye. How nice, guys! Now you can play a lot with your paper rose farm animals. Yes, and now I have to say you bye-bye. But I will be back tomorrow with more animals. So, bye-bye, friends. Bye-bye, friends. See you soon. See you soon. Bye-bye, friends. Bye-bye, friends. See you soon. See you soon. Very good, guys. Bye-bye.